The analysis of energy is central to everything that physicists and engineers do. And we love to calculate things like the quantity of energy, the type of energy, the entropy of energy. But there's one characteristic of energy that we don't really think about, and that is the directionality of energy. So, directionality is not a characteristic that scientists have already assigned to energy. We don't think of energy as being directional. It's just there's a certain amount of it. And sometimes, if an object is moving, then that object has more energy. But this is a really big mistake. And if you ever want to build a UFO, you're going to need to understand this. So, a particle, you can think of a particle as having all this energy content. Um, so the energy is the ingredient of everything that exists. There's no fundamental particle. What is fundamental in nature is energy, and all the particles can be thought of as being these different shapes of energy. And all of the energy inside of a particle, you can think about it as if it's always in motion. It's always moving at, let's just say, the speed of light. Now, whether or not this is actually true, just go with me on this one for now. We're going to say that all this energy, whether or not it's moving, has a directional quality at the speed of light. And if a particle's not moving, it's because it's all averaging out. So the directional qualities, some of it's in that direction, some's in that direction, but it's all averaging out to zero, and that's why the particle isn't moving. But if the particle is 10% net in some direction, then if it has a net directionality of energy in some direction of 10%, then that means that it is moving at 10% the speed of light. Now, this might seem trivial, but this is actually really important to understanding other alien technology that I'm going to share with you in the future.